All right, guys, got another cool thing for you guys. So we keep talking about closed cell foam, right? So what's the whole point? Closed cell foam, if you think about it, microscopic level, it's exactly what it says. It's closed cell compared to open cell. Open cell is going to absorb water, closed cell doesn't, right? It's going to help with that. So cool thing, this is our SSD product, and I want to talk to some of you marine guys, right? Boats, things like that. So the cool thing, the cool thing is with this material, again, being a closed cell foam, 3 layers. So you got your closed cell foam, foil, and butyl. What I have a lot of guys doing on these marine applications, boats are very solid, and but the engines are kind of noisy, especially if you have an inboard or something like that. So you can take SoundShield and you can lay it inside the engine on the where the inboard is and on the fiberglass area. It'll stick to the fiberglass really good. You might have to wipe out a little bit if there's any oil or anything like that. But the nice thing, it will help lower the noise in the cab from the inboard, which is really cool. Or if you guys are doing some big subs in some of the cabinets, like a free air type of install or infinite baffle, things like that, lay this again on the fiberglass is gonna help stiffen those panels up, because boats already sound amazing, man, but this is just gonna be like the chef's kiss, So try this out, works really, really good. And again, we got our SSD material for, if you need something smaller. You guys are doing a big project, we got masses, so that works really well. But that closed cell foam, super sticky, stick to the fiberglass, it works really, really well. So try that out, let me know what you think, all right?